Hello, parents. This is Mr. Allen. I'm your son or daughter's calculus teacher, and I wanted to give you an update for the week of November 9th. This week, we're looking at section 7.3, which is on trig integration. So imagine doing calculus with trigonometry embedded into it. That's what we're doing this week. We want to integrate things like this tangent to the third of 2t times the secant to the third of 2t dt. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to remember that there is a relationship based on the Pythagorean relationship of sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So what we can do is we can take two of the factors of tangent cubed and write those as a relationship of secant squared 2t minus 1. We're going to save another factor over towards the end of the integral. And so then we can factor out two of those factors of the secant squared. So we're going to get secant to the fourth 2t minus secant squared 2t. And then, of course, the derivative of secant 2t is 2 secant 2t, tangent 2t, dt. I accidentally cut off the dt. Anyways, this integral then becomes 1/2 the integral of u to the fourth minus u squared du. So this integral has magically changed into this u sub integral. We can integrate that using our power rule, and then we just need to substitute our values back in, and we get the following for our answers: secant to the fifth 2t divided by 10 minus secant cubed 2t over 6 plus c. Quick update for this week. Number one, COVID-19. Here in Marion County, the numbers are pretty bad. We've had some cases here at the high school. I just want to let you know I'm doing everything I can to separate students, keep them distanced as best I can, and sanitize desks between classes. Also, today and Thursday, we will be having our Math League contest right after school. I mentioned this last week. Hopefully your son or daughter is involved in that. And then finally, this week we have a quiz on Chapter 6. This is review somewhat from stuff from last year, but also there includes a section on arc length. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for your time.